Hey, this is Josh with another programming problem in C++. Chapter 2. Problem is titled Cyborg Data Type Sizes. So you've been given a job as a programmer on a Cyborg supercomputer. In order to accomplish some calculations, you need to know how many bytes the following data types use: char, int, float, and double. You do not have any manuals, so you can't look this information up. Write a C++ program that will determine the amount of memory used by these types and display the information on the screen. Okay. So this one is different than any problem we've had so far. Chances are you don't know how many bytes one of these variables or data type uses. But that's okay, because the computer knows, and there's a reserved word that we can use to prompt that information. So the reserved word that we're going to be using is size of. And then as long as we use parentheses and we type in the variable or data type that we're trying to get information on, it should print it on the screen. So let's have an output. We'll have in we'll do the bytes used in a in char, and then we'll do size of parentheses char. Okay, and we'll do that for the other ones. To speed up the process, let's do this. I'm going to change the second one to an integer is size of int. The bytes used in a float is size of parentheses float, end line. And finally, the bytes used in a double is size of double. So we don't need to list any of these, any variables in this one, since the computer already knows what we're asking for. So let's try and build it, and we'll run it. So the bytes used in char is 1, the bytes used in an integer is 4, the bytes used in a float is 4, and the bytes used in double is 8. Cool. Well, now you know how many bytes of memory each one of these takes. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.